Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive, stock number Z6679A. Only 9,000 miles and is one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Acadia brand new, just took it back in on trade. Dark sapphire blue metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 6, leather interior, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With a pull of a handle, you can even fold the second row seat. And additional underfloor storage. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate, power seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 9,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, rear heat and air controls, backup camera, hard keys below for dual automatic temperature control along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, all-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather, lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box with all the owner's inside, overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6679A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.